So let's continue with the modeling process. Now I decided to do a bit more details at the end, maybe here, and so just not to forget, I will chamfer a bit this edge here and also this one. We'll give there one chamfer, something like that, to make it a bit more smooth, so it will be a bit better looking later. So something like that. Okay, so right now we are going to do the higher speaker here, and I hope we will also start the smaller speaker, and then we have the DVD player and a bit more detail. So still a lot of stuff to do. So let's go again to the front view, and one more time we'll start with a box. Now these are the front speakers, I think. Yep. Yeah, I have also the dimension of the main unit, but I think the main unit is the DVD player actually, and not. No, probably no. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter right now. So let's go here. So the width should be around 28. No, this is too much. No, it's fine. Okay. 115. And the last is 22. So this should be like this, and here should go something like that. So this should be the actual size of the speaker, but I think the dimension, the 28 and 22 are the dimensions of the base here. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll just copy this like that. We'll convert this to poly, call this front speaker, and I will just drag down these polys to the base. Now the base should be really thin, so maybe like that. Anyway, we can adjust this a bit later, and I will keep the second shape just to know how high I should go with that. So I'll keep it somewhere here. So the speaker is starting somewhere from the rear of this. Okay. Okay, so this we can actually do with an inset. So I would just adjust that, something like that. Okay, and we'll move it to the back. Now let's look a bit more. Probably make it a bit smaller, because on the picture it looks a bit smaller. So like this. Now we'll make an extrude. It doesn't matter how big so far. Let's say like this. It will be this part, and from this part it's going higher. Okay, and wider, of course. So what we will do here is that I will extrude it one more time. Small dimensions. Now we will select this edge. Hold on, oops, my bad. Yeah, like this. We'll just select everything all around. Extrude it by local normal to extend the base. Like that. And now we will just drag it up. We don't have even to do extrude. We can just make it like this. Perspective. Okay, so right now we need to adjust the shape. Now the shape looks as follows. More of the shape, or most of the shape, is straight. Now just here at the bottom is some kind of bending. So let's select this here and connect just once, and I don't know, move it somewhere here so far. And make something like this. I think like this it should be fine. Okay. Now we'll apply a double chamfer here. So this is the first one. Apply like this. Now we don't need these edges here, so I will grow this selection, delete, and just keep that. Now I'll select one of these edges and just drag it down. How much? We'll see. This is maybe too much. Okay, I think like this it should be fine. Okay, this is our initial shape for the main speakers, so the front speakers. Now let's look on the details. Now the bass is quite smooth. Also here, a lot of here on these corners than on the edge. So, and actually this round shape is going through the wall shape of the speaker. So this will make some things easier for us. So what we'll do, we'll just select everything here, all around. And first do a chamfer here. Okay, we can do here a double chamfer to make sure that really it will be nice and round around the edges. Now I will select this, the top of the base. Apply chamfer, not such a big one. Let's say 0.1. I was using these settings also before, and it should be fine too. Select this one right now, ring that, connect, and we'll apply here a small extrude. You could notice that there is something like a gap. So we'll try to do also that. I mean this gap here. Now it looks that it's not set up on the floor. There's something beneath. It's quite strange that there is still something, but there are some kind of just mini lags or something, as you can see here. So the shape isn't overall the whole shape of the base, but there are just like points where it's there. So we'll do that a bit later. We'll just right now apply also at the bottom a small chamfer, and we'll see a bit later what to do with that. So let's go to 0.1 to create it like that. You can also, of course, apply the same chamfer here, here, and if you look down, also here. And of course on the top, it seems the same. Maybe here on the top we'll apply a bigger chamfer. Yeah, like this. Should look better. Okay. Now somewhere in the middle is this kind of thing. Somewhere here. And it should be, I think, straight. Yeah, through the shape. So just do a connect to the edges, make it straight using the scale tool, maybe place it a bit down, and again do the extrude trick, which we was doing a lot of time, but this time we can do it bigger, just a bit, but still bigger. Okay, chamfer, smaller chamfer, of course, you can go with the smallest value. Now if you look on this right now, I think it's a bit over-dimensioned, so what I will do, I will make it a bit more thinner. So I will drag it from this and this side a bit. Yeah, now it looks a bit better, I think. Okay, let's apply on this turbo smooth just to see if everything is fine. Okay, here we will need more edges. The base is looking fine, and overall it's quite nice. Okay, so connect this, but move it down. This will make that part stronger, let's call it like that. That means that it will be a bit more sharp, and the same we will apply here. So make a connect, move it somewhere here, and the same from the bottom part. Just don't forget to make it straight. Yeah, this is a bit let's go back, because it was a bit screwing up the geometry. So we'll do one more time a connect, but this time we'll move it like this. So like this, it have also already aligned the constant of the edge, and it's moving along the edge, not like chaotic something. Okay, here to the top we'll do one inset. We'll see if this one is enough. Yeah, it looks so. Yeah, it's already much better than it was before. We'll make one connect to the top to make it looking better. So of course now we will not use any straightening, and also this should look better. Okay. Okay, so now the parts with the speakers again. We have here something similar which we had here, I think, actually. I hope they are really looking like here, but from this view they look a bit angled there. Anyway, this is not any kind of problem, even here or there on the stuff which we did before, so it will be a problem, I will say. Okay, so here's the basic shape, or the main shape. Okay, we could do it also a bit like harder, but I actually like the soft and round look of that, so I will keep it how it is. But now we need to make the more speakers, so let's go to the front view. I'll check it here, and we need one small and two bigger. So I think they're smaller. Okay, so we'll do two like this. Hold down shift, place it up, move it a bit up, a bit more, and let's say in the same distance we will do the smaller one. The same distance, but of course smaller diameter. Okay, let's try to select them and move them a bit down. Yeah, like this it should be fine. And now again, shape merge like we did lots of times before. So compound objects, shape merge, pick a shape. And first, second and third one. Okay, convert to poly. Now we need to delete the shapes. So we are basically doing the same which we did also before. So nothing new. I could even imagine telling this already a few times by tutorials. To leave it how it is and just model the stuff and tell you, okay, I did that, I hope you did it too, and be much shorter, but it's always trying to show every step I do, because like that you see what I'm doing and it's much easier for you to follow me. And also probably to learn something, of course. It's mainly about learning stuff. Okay, so as before, we are deleting words which we probably will not need. We will be using the geopoly function after, but firstly we need to get rid of some words. Okay, I would like to delete this one here, but I'm not sure if I can or I can, because I need firstly to attach it here. Yep. So I will go one by one. So poly, geopoly should be fine. It's moved a bit, but we will fix that in a minute. Or better in a second, of course. So move it a bit if you think it's not how it should be. I think right now it's looking quite nice. Yep. Anyway, later we can, without problems, move them. So let's select the polys and we'll insert them. Insert them 2 times as before. And I think we'll start with this one, so they should look like this. Okay. Perspective. So as before, we will use the bevel tool. Go somewhere here and make something like this. Okay. Now, if it's something which I think it is, now it should go up, following the shape actually. Now I will show you what I mean, but before I will ring this, connect, and I'm not sure if I can do it at once. I will try. Yeah. I will make or fix the shape a bit. Maybe just a bit more. Yep. Okay, back to our poly bevel. So let's try. Come on. Somewhere here. So to create something like this. Very easy to do, of course. We're just moving the bevel up and down. There's nothing else there. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, it looks the same like on the center speaker. I'm not sure. Probably yes. But here we was doing this pretty different, but I will fix that. So I will create something like this. You could use 2 times bevels, of course, but let's say it. Oops, in all axes. Like this is pretty easier. Okay, here we'll do inset, apply, and a smaller inset. And from this shape, we will try to shape up something which looks round. And now again, we'll use our scales in ring and connect, and of course a scale tool to tweak this. And of course, this is much easier to do it just with the bevel. Maybe because we have a bit better control about the shape using just the scale tool. Okay, now ring that, control poly, no bevel, and we'll go a bit up, it's too much, and inside. Okay, let's do some chamfering. And also, of course, here on this shape. Okay, and I will do a kind of small extrude here. I know, quite like this a lot. We will not apply any chamfer there. Okay, so let's jump here. Every speaker looks different. That's nice. You know, there is great originality inside. Okay, so we are here. We'll keep this. I will do here some adjustments before I do anything else. Okay, and just make the shape by bevel like I did before. I'll just zoom at one speaker at one time. Okay. Now this should look, I hope, more like on the reference. Maybe can drag them a bit from the shape. Oh, it's probably better. Here we go. With the new shape. Apply turbo smooth on that. I wasn't expecting. Yeah, I was. Now this will be very, very, very sad if like this will happen to the whole shape. You know, like and okay. Now select this here. I'm not sure if we'll be able. No, we are not able to do any cut or connect because there are some parasitic shapes right now. But if you remember, I think we also will be using that. we can use the slice plane. Actually, I don't think we use that. So make here the slice. Now, perspective Z to zoom. We can move this up, and now for sure we can delete this one here and also the vert. Okay, but the vert is not there. Now let's get the cut tool. Start to cut, or better to attach again the shape to the rest of the shape. Now we could do all around cuts, you know, but so far I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to perform the cuts like that. So if you know what I mean, we could still be doing modeling only in quads, because we will like take the cut from this side to the other side. We don't have any triangles there. I think it's not necessary here, absolutely, but if you want, of course, you can do that. Okay, a few more cuts, then some Wi-Fi system there, and can jump on the last speakers. I think I will try to do detailing or add a bit more details, because I noticed some before we do the DVD player, because I'm afraid that I will forget what I wanted to do. So like this. I don't know if this is the best idea to attach it there, but we'll see. Okay, looking much better. Let's be honest. Probably we need to move it at least here. And right now we could do the and rotate the cards through the whole shape, but how I said, there are extra polys, which I think we don't need there. Okay, something similar. A lot of cards, shape merge. I think we will be doing also in the last shape, or better on the last shape of the speaker. But first, let's finish this one. Okay, clean and nice, as usual. Okay, I see here something. And it's not that. But it's only there. So it's like a local problem here. What can cause that? It can be many things. It can be bad weld. Okay, it's not. Can try to move. Okay, better. Okay. So the front speaker. I don't think we don't need to do the legs at the bottom. For what? But we can do here the antenna and stuff like this. This will be a bit harder than we usually did. We'll explain in a second why. Let's go to the edge. It's because that before we always had the possibility. Actually, we can also hear. So my bad, I didn't said anything. I'll ring that and connect 2 times. Shouldn't affect the shape. Okay, it's not. But it's looking a bit ugly. So it's because I don't think that we need to grab it here to the up. There. So we are on edge constant, we'll move it down. Like this is will be more than good. So we'll just edit that. Control vert one more time, move it up. Still, we will have here the problems in this axis. But because it's on the side of the back, you can try to do again a connect. Okay. Now, for sure for this, but of course without this and that inside. Oh, where we are? Here we are. You can do also bigger chamfer if you want. Here we can go with a smaller chamfer. And now we will do one more cut. Yeah, this is actually great. That was great settings. Okay, probably not, because we did 2 cuts. I want, connects. I just want to do one. So not so good, I thought. And I'm pretty proud of myself that I noticed that before. Okay. But I make here some kind of mess. Again with the connects. Horrible. Horrible me. Okay, let's see if it will be not enough. Yeah, the top. Okay, so here we go with the panel, the control panel, where we will place these gadgets, or how to call them, and of course the antenna. Actually, I'm pretty sure there is no antenna anywhere. The wireless communication is made by something inside. The antenna is hidden. I just like how the antenna looks. Let's be honest, it looks pretty nice. So this is the reason why I'm placing this everywhere. So I'm not a fool, don't worry. So I knew that it's not how it looks. But I think on all pattern is there somewhere. And I really love the antenna. It's nice. And I'm sure you love the antenna too. It's lovely. And if you ever wondered how to do a Wi-Fi antenna, you know now. In one tutorial, a combo tutorial. So again, it's enough when we rotate the bottom part, but we need to move it in local, not view right now. So like that. Okay. This is the front speaker, and we need to do just the small one. Now the small one is like a strange copy of this big one. We could actually like copy that, but it wouldn't be honest. So as before, let's go to the front view, and we will do also this one. So again, let's go with the box. These are, I think, the rare speakers. What is the dimension of that? Width 9.5. Okay. 18.0, so 18 and 8.5. 5. Okay, this looks actually pretty small. And it don't look big like on the image. Okay. Now it's probably again the dimensions are the half of the base and so, but still it's so small. It's maybe just looking so small, but I don't know. But yeah, it's small. Okay. Anyway, there will be some mistake. Can scale it, I think, a bit. So one more time. Are we okay with that? Yeah, we're okay with that. Okay. I never thought it should be big. So, okay. One more time, I will copy that because first we will do the base. We can. No, we'll do it this one. So the base. Now the base can be big, like this one. Why not? At least something we will have in the same dimension. Yep. How it's looking pretty similar to that, which we had before. So Z to zoom. Now one more time. Okay, how the shape is looking. So it's like that, from that. Okay, I think I know. Or I have an idea. So again, we'll do an inset. Let's say like that. The speaker isn't so wide like the one before. Let's go to the edge mode. Move this a bit here. Now the overall shape is a bit from the ground. And now the actual shape should go up. Okay. So I'll do it very similar like before. I will extrude it by by a very small value like this. Okay, we don't need the edges there, so I will just delete them and cap that. Now from the left view, I'm gonna align it with my reference, or just drag it up. Now select it like that, connect, move this down, select this like that, and move it somewhere here. This we can move somewhere here. And if we are here, we can also do a chamfer. And we can also delete this one here. Now still here, we'll move this down like before. And we can apply some chamfers here. So first of all, we'll go to the base. And we'll do here a chamfer. Of course, not such a big one. Let's say like this, and again we will ring that, connect, and make a small extrude. We'll not use there any kind of chamfer. Okay, we'll also do the chamfer here. And one more time, we'll select all these edges all around. And apply a chamfer, but this time probably not so big one, like this. Oh yes, probably a big one, because this is not even like. Let's go with this and a 2-time chamfer. Okay, now we'll chamfer also this here. So let's go here. I will insert this a bit. Oh, let's go by 0.1. Should be enough. Okay, so something like that. Here we go with just one speaker here. Okay. Now it actually looks like. Wait, I forgot to transfer this bottom. There is some kind of extrude there from here to here, but it's ending here and here. So let's try to do that. I need just to look on something. Okay, now let's go 2 step backs before we did that. Now I was applying it here. To be able to do it quite better, I need to make here this cut. It's essential. And here at the bottom, I will do something like this. I don't want to much play with this, so I will connect, extrude. I'll go deeper, and now loop through the whole shape, as you can see, and we'll end up it there at the bottom, so nobody will see that. There will be some kind of port there, which will determine that it's ending there. Not chamfer, but extrude. Oops, you can do with a small value, of course, like 0.5. So you apply now turbo smooth. It should be looking much better. Yes, and it is. Okay. If we're here, you can do also the control panel here at the back. This time we'll do it a bit higher. Do we need? Yeah, we need that inside. Okay, so it will be here. Somewhere. I think now I will use bevel. I think it will be too small. But I also think it will be fine. Okay, before I finish that, I think I will make a shape merge here and make here the speaker. Now this is actually the important part there. So again, a circle, autograde, somewhere in the middle. Okay. I will keep it where it is. Compound object. Note. Shape merge. No. One step back. Shape merge. Pick a shape. This is not already. This is my bad. Okay. Pick a shape. Okay, now it's fine. Convert to poly. And let's do this quickly. I think we did it already many times. I'm sure we can do it one more time and quicker than before. Okay, so as before, 2 times insert like this. Before I go anywhere else, I will do my cuts. Now I will use the slice tool, I think, here at the bottom. So slice plane, rotate that and move it down. Right now we don't want to interact with the speaker, but also with not with the area where we want to plug the things. Okay, so we have this. I think I will make it one more time here on the top. Oops, bad axis. Left view. I forgot to connect that before, but it's the same. Okay, so you are connected there and there. Can perform the cuts. Alright, now we don't have auto. drag them on two edges. So like before, then I will delete the words which are, for some reason are there but shouldn't be there. Okay, let's say that it will be like that. This and so far this one here. Now how this should look? Yep, like that one before. Okay, again bevel. So I don't know, like this. Okay, like that. You see? Now we'll go just straight up. Maybe no. Yes. No. Like that. Oh, straight. And now we can go like this. I was going too less up. Also here a bit more. Yeah, this will be better. Okay, my bad. My mouse clicked once, I think. So we want to go now 0 height. No, we wanted to go 0, not 0 height. We want to go to 0 to minus negative numbers, but not much. And inside and more. Okay, the second one was too much and the first one was too less. So I'll fix this manually. Yeah, it's something like this. Okay, now loop that, extrude. Great extrude. Let's apply Turbo's mode because now we can. We'll fix everything. Almost fine. Okay. And now here to the back. Now this kind of stuff should be now be possible without problems. So 2 segments from each other. Now I think I will keep it like this. Now again the same controls, but okay, we can take the straight ones which are here. Just select them like this and deselect the central unit, which is maybe the central unit. I'm not sure, but I guess yes. Okay, somewhere here, perspective. Yeah, it's too small for my gadgets. Oops. I'll think about something here. Nobody told it cannot be smaller. Oh. Yeah, this looks a bit funny. Why not? Okay. Can do also. Oops, too much. Connect here. Okay, a bit more to make it a bit sharper there. F4. Okay. Every part is modeled. Now we just need the DVD system and we are done. I will check the dimensions of the last speaker and we will see. And of course, in the next part we'll do some arrangement before we start to do the DVD player, and also do the details, the more details there. So, thanks for watching so far. Again, I hope you like, and I will see you in the next part. So, bye bye.